Hello. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. In this video I will show you more detail about the free apps that reward users with Bitcoin. We take a look at some of the free apps that reward users with Bitcoin. Due to the easy access of free apps, users earn Bitcoin called Satoshi. 5. BTC Safari. BTC Safari claims to reward users up to 400 Satoshi every 15 minutes. Users can earn Satoshi by watching ads, and this differs from other Bitcoin apps in terms of payout. BTC Safari reportedly pays out daily without any withdrawal limit. This app requires Android version 4 or higher for compatibility with the tablet or mobile device. Users can also accumulate earnings from many sites and then withdraw it once they have enough on their account. Due to BTC Safari's use of micropayment platform, Faucet Hub and micropayment cash, Faucet system. 4. Blockchain game. The blockchain game rewards users with real bitcoins. Users can earn unlimited real bitcoin by either playing games or making a blockchain, using stacking blocks. This app also has a withdrawal limit of 20,000 Satoshi and pays users out on Tuesday when you reach its minimum limit. This app requires an Android version 3 or higher. 3. Free Bitcoins. Free Bitcoins rewards its users with Bitcoin every hours for simply playing their game. Users can earn up to R2,406 in free Bitcoin. Free Bitcoins also offers a number of ways to earn cryptocurrency. Users can either play their game or refer the app to a friend and stand a chance to win prizes with their weekly lottery. Alternatively, users can multiply their Bitcoins by playing a high-low game. This game utilizes math and cryptography. Also, when users refer free Bitcoins to someone, they stand to win up to 50% of what their friend wins and getting free lottery tickets whenever their friend plays. This app requires Android version 4.1 and upwards, with users needing to have a minimum of 20,000 Satoshi in order to redeem their Bitcoin. 2. Stormplay. Stormplay rewards users with Bitcoin for simply trying out new games, products or services. This app not only rewards users with Bitcoin but also with Ethereum and Storm. There are 3 ways in which users can earn Storm. The first way is by trying out games or products. Users can also earn Storm by shopping for products and services. Lastly, users can earn Storm by performing microtasks like machine learning, QA testing and peer-to-peer freelancing tasks. This app requires an Android 4.0.3 version for installation. 1. Free Bitcoin. Free Bitcoin is likely the most profitable free Bitcoin app. The app pays up to 250 Satoshi in one claim every hour. Users can also earn more Satoshi on a weekend of up to 1.0. Users receive Satoshi in their Bitcoin wallet, which the user has to create. The app also shows you how to create a Bitcoin wallet. Users earn Bitcoin by simply playing videos or games on the app. When users have collected a minimum of 20,000 Satoshi, then they can redeem their Bitcoin. The app is compatible with Android versions 2.3 or higher. If you want to learn more about Bitcoins and cryptocurrency, feel free to visit our channel. Depending on your choice, pick the best faucets for cryptocurrency management. For any other query related to Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, do let us know your thoughts and we will answer your question in the shortest possible time. Stay virtual. And I hope you guys found this video very valuable, and if you have any opinions, please leave your opinion in the comment box below. You enjoyed this video? Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click bell icon to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Hope to see you next video.